All right, we are back, guys. About to roll out a recipe with my good buddy. Just before he and I get cracking on what we're about to do, I want this pot very hot, James.
Very hot. I mean,
So I'm leaving it here.
Right.
Allowing the fire to do its thing. It's real important.
Well, fire usually gets things hot, yeah? Fire usually gets...
Yeah, that's normal what fire does. Fire
Right.
gets things hot. But I want it smoking hot.
Usually when I get mine hot, it's because it's somebody's calling the fire truck to come and find out what's going on in my kitchen.
I'll explain why I want it smoking hot. So I'm leaving it, right, while we tell folks what we're about to do. So, we're in the middle of the World Cup.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, what are we doing cooking though?
That's a question.
Who cooks during the World Cup? Should find a lazy boy somewhere.
What we're going to do though is that this dish, Argentina leading Brazil 2-1 at the half.
That's never going to happen. Just for the record, that's never going to happen.
Messi scored a double. Argentina leading Brazil 2-1 at the half.
So this is Brazil on the comeback trail.
We run into the kitchen.
Right.
Halftime is 50 minutes.
Right, 15 minutes.
We need less than 10 minutes to pull this together.
Right. This is the tactics right here.
Right. And we can go back in front of the telly and
score.
And see Argentina finish off the match.
Well, I mean, the story has to be somewhat realistic. And, you know, I really thought this was the rescue act. Yeah, this is the whiteboard. We pull it out, the tactics, and Neymar comes and scores a hat-trick, and then it's all over. Glory for Brazil. I thought that's what the story was going to be like.
He's still disagreeing where that is concerned.
Barca.
That's the only thing we can agree on. That's the only thing we can agree on. So, guys, this morning, what we are doing, as I said, there's World Cup action happening. James and I not bringing the World Cup to you this year.
Yeah, the World Cup is not as good this year.
Wait, don't say that, James. James and I not bringing the World Cup to you this year, but we are going to show you how you can enjoy it during the halftime and whip up a quick dish. I love steak, you love meat.
Definitely, I love food.
And this is some ribeye, you know, some sirloin steak mixed up. All it needs is really just a quick sear. We have here some onions.
All right.
Some garlic butter. So we crush, I crushed some garlic and mixed in here with, this is like a garlic butter, just waiting here to toss on the hot steak.
I want to eat it like that.
So it's a garlic butter infused steak that we're going to do. My pot is getting hot. I'm not seeing it smoking yet.
Yeah, I mean, you're doing better than me.
I'm not seeing smoking. I'm just adding a little oil, just a little Kent canola oil to it. And I want to see it smoking. James Saunders, so you're a big performing artist now.
Well, you know.
I mean, that song I saw you, I mean, I remember when you started journalism and you started reporting, that was always kind of part of you. That was part of you. You wanted to be on the stage. You wanted to do gospel music. That was always part of James Saunders.
It was, you know, actually, one of the first memories I'm remembering is when we did there was a song with Chris Gayle, you know.
Yeah. Still on YouTube?
Yeah, it's somewhere, but
It's
I tried to hide it many times on YouTube. It keeps popping back up.
Yeah.
But it has been something that I have been doing for quite a number of years. In fact, it would have started, first real break would have been around the same time that I started the media career as well.
And now that, as I said, you've done the media, and now you're kind of in and out the media, doing your own thing. You're focusing a lot more on the music?
Well, I'm trying to give it some space now because, you know, in the past, you know, life has always been, you know, that confusion. I don't even say confusion, but that cluster with so many things happening. And I just decided that, hey, you know, finally it's time to make a space and really allow the music aspect of it to grow and see where it goes from there.
Yeah. I think I said at the beginning, you know, the truth is that this is one of the more talented brothers. If I had half of his talent, it would have been, you know, one of the more talented brothers. He really could have done so much at a top level. And you, yeah, that song that we did back for Chris Gayle. You're
on the door, you know, a remix.
You can remember this song?
I get thing I'm feeling. Chris, you feeling, no, you're not feeling crazy or what? I feeling crazy or what? Hey,
check it on YouTube. Check it on YouTube.
It was much better than that. I promise it was much better.
It was much better than that. Check it on YouTube. James Saunders, myself, and Vinu Dewari at the time. It was during a World Cup, a Cricket World Cup.
Yeah, Cricket World Cup.
Cricket World Cup. All right, James. Season.
Right.
Salt, pepper. Start the season up. My pot getting hot.
All right, so let me see. I'm a little generous on the, too generous
On the
maybe.
salt?
Yeah, and the salt, you know, so just a little sprinkle.
Yeah, cool.
That sprinkle, I mean,
And you're working out now, Saunders?
yeah, I mean, trying to eat organic.
All of that?
Yeah, I'm trying to eat, you know, food that is not too processed.
Right,
you know.
right.
It's part of a sportsman lifestyle. Not neglected.
But that wasn't always you. I remember you had a little punch.
No, it's the kind of jerseys I used to buy, you know. and I realized, you know, I've been shopping in the wrong store for too long. I was you know, so I had to backtrack and
Right.
coming from a sporting background.
Yeah.
I said, you know what? And then I was looking at Muhammad Ali
Right.
and do an interview, and even he said if it's one thing.
All right, I think you're good there, James.
Yeah, I told you I was generous.
Yeah, I think you're good there.
From South, we were very generous in South.
I just quickly want to add a little bit of this. This is Caribbean flavors.
That's one of my favorite, actually.
And they do actually a steak spice.
Yeah.
So this is the first time I'm trying it, to be honest with you.
Don't be too generous there.
Don't be too generous?
Don't be too generous. Let's see how heavy. Nice. Yes. Good. All right. Finale. tweet. Final whistle.
That's it.
No,
So once you get this seasoned up, now it really will be good if probably you can. So before the game starts,
Right.
you season it.
Yeah, I mean, nobody wants to be rushing about while the game going on.
Don't put it in the fridge when you season it.
Yeah.
Season it, leave it out, let it get to room temperature.
Right.
I love steak, so I've found ways that I can do steak to the best restaurant style steak that
Restaurant
I can.
style?
Yeah. I boast about that.
How come I never got an invitation home when you're cooking steak? I don't know what's up. I mean, after the sports news finish, man drive off in his car, that home and eat a steak by himself, and then telling me about the recipe.
Add a little more. This just a little more.
All right,
a
so
little more.
you get a little more generous, yeah?
Right? So you leave it out. Don't put it in the fridge, guys. Season it, leave it out. Steak doesn't need much seasoning. Salt, pepper, as you said, we just add a little bit of this steak spice for a little kick.
Yep.
You could add some, I suppose, some cayenne pepper.
I love
if
cayenne
you wish.
pepper.
Yeah, just add that little space. So, James, quickly.
Right. Spot hot.
Are you seeing the smoke?
Smoking.
You're seeing the smoke.
Smoking. Look. That is real smoke there.
Not real smoke. You're still over exaggerated everything.
No, I mean.
Yeah.
I'm a smoke.
So,
Don't over exaggerate.
we going in here. All we do in here. This needs no more than about 30 to 45 seconds.
All right.
You want it, you leave it. No, so let it sear. While that is searing there for about 30 seconds, I'm just going to get the onions in here. So I get the onions over here.
I'm impressed. Still toting a bit, you know. I've never been invited to one of these before, but
You on the show, but not in the kitchen with me.
not in the kitchen.
We sat and
You
we
kept me
chat.
somewhere in the living room or something. Every show. Come on, a cooking show in the living room.
So that was one of the things. When I started Cup of Joe, it really wasn't to be a cooking show.
Right.
It was to be just a lifestyle show.
Whose idea was it not to get two men in the kitchen? And one, I am not a chef.
Yeah.
But you're doing well so far. I'm liking what I'm seeing.
Leave it, allow it, guys. Once it stays about 30 seconds, then you could do a quick toss. Once you quick toss, turn it over, get the other side.
You could start eating now.
No, James,
Smelling
just no.
really good.
Trust me. Now, I like mine with a little red in the middle. You alright with that? Medium?
Well, yeah, I mean,
You alright with that?
I'm a Caribbean man, but
Yeah. I don't like it well done. I don't
Yeah.
like it.
You like it burn up.
No. This here is the garlic butter. So as I said, it's all to do with this here is to mince the garlic, get the butter melted, nice and.
Use a knife or you grate it.
I grate it. I have a nice little fancy garlic press that I have as well.
All right.
So you're adding the butter here now to this. Straight in, guys, because this butter is going to form a nice garlicky.
So this is on your turn now.
You turn. This needs no more than about another 30 seconds
I
in
need
here.
to step away because I'm dribbling.
Yeah.
Dribbling
But
right
this,
now.
This is real good stuff.
Oh my goodness. Send some more smoke this screen. Bring the smoke.
Sunday, is half time over?
Half time, yeah. I mean,
Messi ready to score more?
we got 2 minutes.
We got 2 minutes?
2 minutes. So this is the final team talk here. All right, so oh gosh, just take this in right now. You know, just give it a moment. You know, let the air go through.
One more.
That's it right there. That's it's done. How's he whistle there? Oh my goodness. Yes. This is the stuff right here. You know what I like about this dish though? It didn't take very long.
No. Half time.
I mean,
Back to the game.
nobody want to wait long to eat.
No. Half time, back to the game. Toothpicks and men sticking, and you're good to go.
So,
Messi will finish off Neymar.
you think you
and
can handle the
raise
rest of the
the
show by yourself? No, I mean,
We take a short break and we'll taste. We don't want to get cold.
Right, yeah.
Taking a short break. James Saunders. Unfortunately, my brother and I are not bringing the World Cup to you this year.
can't always be perfect. Can't always be
Life
perfect.
isn't perfect, guys. Life, you can't get all what you want all the time. But James Saunders and I will taste up right after this. Come on back.